Alright then guys, welcome back to day 2 in Mexico City. Now if you didn't see yesterday, we had a great time. We went to a Lucha Libre event. It was a lot of fun. We walked the wrestlers of the main event out on stage. My flag fell off. It was chaos, but a lot of fun nonetheless. Today, again, I have no idea what we're getting up to. We're going to be exploring Mexico City. I've been told that I need to bring my goggles and snorkel that were randomly in my Heineken bag yesterday. How could I possibly need a snorkel and goggles in the middle of a city that doesn't have beaches? It was built on a lake. I don't know.
Guys, got your snorkel?
Yes, I do, Sam. Good timing. I was the last thing I said in my room. It's in my bag.
You may have guessed what we're about to do, but today we're heading to
Xochimilco,
a labyrinth of canals and floating chimpanas dating back to Aztec times. We'll be taking a Trajinera out to explore the lively waterways.
So why the snorkel, Toan?
Join us.
Well, on a side note, that's what we're doing today. Check these colours out.
Welcome to my vlog, Ricardo. Tell us what this is.
Alright, so these are the types of boats. Of course, a bigger one that we're gonna be in, probably
Awesome.
drinking beer and
Drinking beer.
listen to mariachis.
Sounds perfect. As if we ever needed reminding of last night.
Okay guys, so the place that we've come to is called Xochimilco. It's kind of got the worst spelling in the world to try and pronounce. I've just had to ask about 5 people how to pronounce that. And now there's a dog that's trying to... Don't talk to me, I'm vlogging. Anyway, now the dog is... No, Brie, you are being rude, Brie.
Not him.
I think we'll just walk around and talk instead. So we're going to be going...
You are very rude.
I feel like it is a song apt for the occasion. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
So I'm gonna invite all of y'all to hop on in so we can enjoy your ride.
Yes.
Ready? Go, please.
Thank you. Cheers, boys.
Salud.
To a good day on the canals.
Thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.
So we've got our own boat and one of the boats that's just a little bit further along. They've actually got chefs that are cooking us food as we're going on our boat. They're going to be cooking our food on another boat and then giving it to us on this boat. It's very cool.
Hello.
Bye bye.
Oh, we don't have friends over there.
Yes. Insects.
Alright, so we're talking a proper Mexican experience today. We've got some snacks coming onto the boat, as well as some different Mexican flavoured waters. And the first snack is insects. That cockroach is moving a bit too much, to be honest.
I think Sam has to go first on all of this. Who's going to take a cockroach on? Sam.
I like that little guy.
Okay.
Oh, look at that guy.
Just go all in.
Cheers, mate.
Thumbs up.
It's actually very good. Now the tequila's kicking in.
I'll take a couple, thank you. That is grasshopper.
Oh, that one's liquid. Oh.
I think our food is still being prepared over here. Some sort of fish going on down there. Nice little salad.
Nice.
Food is served, mate. Yeah.
Nice.
Very good.
I'm really enjoying the overcast feel today. It's a little bit cooler than it was yesterday. It was very warm in the sun yesterday.
Very nice. Cactus.
This is so good. This is bloody superfluous.
No way.
Alright, motherfucker.
Does that say Heineken?
Alright, so we have just boarded the special Heineken boat, and this man is delivering all of the flowers, which were actually edible on some of the dishes we had in our 8-course lunch. difficult for me to talk because I've eaten so much food, but it was delicious. Alright, things are getting a little bit hectic. There are so many boats.
Y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, y arriba, y arriba iré. Yo no soy marinero, yo no soy marinero. Por ti seré, por ti seré, por ti seré. Bam, 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 bam.
So this little monster is a rattlesnake.
And that's his skin.
Nada más regular, a modo que se sostenga, pero sin que lo ahorque.
Oh, this guy is a little bit. You can feel he's strong.
Feels nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Very cool.
It's like a dinosaur. It's a mini.
It is like a dinosaur. Back to the boat. Can I bring my mate with me? Woo! Alright, we're taking YouTube back to 2009 and we're doing a chili challenge. Okay, so this is a jalapeno, yeah?
Exactly.
That's tasty.
Which one is the second one?
The second one is
the
this one.
lightest one.
It's called Serrano.
Serrano.
That's the lightest.
That's the lightest one.
I'm out.
Chili serrano.
Serrano, exactly.
I'm out.
Buon appetito.
Oh my god, the tongue's on fire.
That is spicier, but that's still tasty.
Manzana. Manzana in Spanish is apple.
Ah.
So it kind of looks like an apple, that's why. Go
Okay.
for it.
Okay.
Here's the last level. It's called the chile serrano. Another one? No, we're done.
Go on, Sam. Come on.
Habanero.
Come on.
Okay.
Final part of the tasting menu. You should just eat it all.
All in. Go big or go home.
Yeah, that's a brave man. How do you feel it?
We wanted that numbness, huh? Got it.
He will jump in the water.
No, it's good. It's good. It's actually good. Yeah, it's fine. We nailed that one. Thank you very much. My trophy. All right, that was a wonderful, cultural, festive experience. Not sure what was festive about it. It just felt festive. Felt like Christmas came early today. So much good food, good vibes, a few beers. Wonderful, wonderful afternoon. Back to the market. Oh, man, I am absolutely shattered. I really, really enjoyed what was a truly unique, authentic Mexican experience on the Trajinera, the boat. It was a lot of fun. We had 8 courses of food, 8 flipping courses. And as soon as I finish this clip, I'm going to go down to the lobby because we're going for dinner. I don't know how I'm going to fit any more food in my stomach after we've eaten so much today. There was so much great tacos and meat, there was fish, there were these edible plants. In Mexico, they have so many garnishes that don't look like they should be edible, but they are, and the flavors are just mental. So I'm going to sign the vlog out now so that I can still put together a coherent ending to what has been a great day. And I will put any clips in afterwards as bonus footage. But yeah, thank you once again to Heineken for having me here. Thank you to Mexico City, the people, for just being such lovely, vibrant people and such a wonderful place. And yeah, I will catch you all tomorrow, where it's going to be the actual F1 race. The main purpose and the main reason that we're here. We're going to go to the track. We've got some amazing seats, and maybe Lewis Hamilton, he should secure the World Championship tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. It will be out either tomorrow or the next day, and I will catch you there. Bye-bye.